This video is about auto assignment in Update Factory. Down here we can see various attributes for a device. And what we intend to do is target some of these attributes so that we can ensure that we target just one device very specifically. So we will head over to Target Filters, and we're going to create a custom filter, and we will name it Android underscore Appalis underscore debug. And we're going to define a couple of attributes here based on the information that we saw earlier near the bottom of the deployment view for a specific device. So what we intend to do here is target Android systems with device names starting with Appalis and only debug builds. Now that we're done defining the filter, we can search and see any devices that match that search. We're going to save this filter, and you can see it here under custom filters. So the next step is to enable auto assignment for that filter, and be sure to select a specific software distribution, in this case Hello World 1.0, and we're going to save it. And we're just going to confirm this by clicking OK. Going back to deployment view, we can see that for this device, Hello World is already being downloaded by that device. Looking at the states, in this case we use the Update Factory UI client to monitor the states for this particular device. You can see here that there's some download activity and it's updating the app, and now it's been completed, and here you're actually looking at that app. And what we're going to do on another device is get it to connect to Update Factory. We're waiting for that next poll to occur. So once it polls, we should see it appear. There it is. And now we can see it here. It's been auto-assigned this update that we had selected earlier in the filter. And we should see the states, just like we saw earlier in the other device, start being active once it polls again. There it goes. And just like the other device, we should be able to open the app that we just received. There it is. So auto assignment in Update Factory. Thanks for watching this video.